Hi, welcome to Chem 216 Lab Week 6. First, we're going to show you how to prepare the lead nitrate solution. Measure out 0.5 grams of sodium sulfate anhydrous. Add the sodium sulfate that you just weighed out to a 150 ml beaker. Then add 75 milliliters of DI water to the beaker. Now you're going to place the stir bar in the beaker. Stir until it dissolves and it's a homogeneous mixture. Next, weigh out 1 gram of the lead nitrate. You're going to take what you just weighed out and add it to the other 150 ml beaker. Pour 75 milliliters of DI water. Keep stirring these solutions until they are clear and the solid has all dissolved. Once both solutions are done being stirred, pour the lead nitrate solution that you made into a 250 milliliter beaker. Place a stir bar inside the beaker and get it stirring. Okay, and then you're going to slowly add the sodium sulfate mixture that you made. A white precipitate should form. Let this solution stir for 5 minutes. To filter your solution, you're going to set up the filter with the Buchner funnel. So you're going to wet the adapter. Stick this in there. Make sure it's very secure. So you're going to take this round piece of filter paper and place it inside the Buchner funnel. Once you're ready to filter the precipitate, you're going to turn the vacuum on. There we go. Okay. When you hear that sound, make sure that this is securely on. And then what you're going to want to do is take the stir bar out of the precipitate and start filtering. So now you're going to take DI water and wash off the sides of the beaker as you did in the previous lab. First, you're going to turn off the vacuum. Next, you're going to take a spatula and scrape the precipitate from the filter gently to make sure that you don't scrape up the filter. And then you're going to transfer this into a 250 ml beaker. Add 100 milliliters of DI water to this beaker. Put it on the stir plate and stir for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of stirring, you're going to take this solution and refilter it. Make sure that you add the water to the filter paper again to create the seal. Also, this is a new piece of filter paper. Just turn the vacuum on. Now, take about a spatula full of the lead sulfate you've made and transfer it to a clean 250 milliliter beaker. Add about 150 milliliters of DI water to the beaker. Add a stir bar and then place on the stir plate and stir for about 20 minutes. So when you decant, you're basically just going to pour off the top half layer of your solution so that you want to make sure that you don't get most of the white stuff down here into the beaker. Okay, so we only needed 25 mils of this, but it's fine if you have more than that. So we're going to filter it now in the same setup as last time. Next, transfer 25 ml of your solution with the volumetric pipette. Next, you're going to add 2 milliliters of this nitric acid, 0.5 grams of the potassium nitrate. Next, put the potassium nitrate that you weighed out into the volumetric flask. Now you're gonna fill to the line with DI water, but you're gonna wanna make sure that all of this dissolves, so just fill it up part way and then do the shaking thing that I showed you how to do in the previous labs. Pour what you've made into a clean beaker. And then you are going to take a 10 ml syringe, looks like this, and open it. You can screw in this tip, which has a filter on it. So you're gonna fill this up to the 10 milliliter mark with your solution. You're gonna place this directly onto the top of the vial and then squeeze. Okay, and then you're gonna fill this up one more time so that you have 20 mils in total in this vial. To make the standards for the AA, we're going to start by weighing out 0.5 grams of the KNO3. So now you're gonna add the KNO3 that you weighed out into the 100 ml volumetric flask. Use the glass funnel and pour about 50 ml of the AA water into your flask. Should shake this back and forth to make sure that it all dissolves.
Next, add the volume of the lead standard to your flask, following what's on this chart. We're going to do solution number 2 as an example. Take it away, Kristen.
Okay, so you're gonna add this 1000 ppm lead AA standard to your flask. And you're all set. Okay, so then you're gonna fill this all the way up to the line with AA water.
Be careful, don't go over.
So you're gonna mix thoroughly with the top on, and then you created your first standard.
Woo!
Bye guys, thanks for watching. See you next week. Hey guys, I'm in Hogwarts. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Wow, I feel good. I'm a wizard.